Good morning students. Welcome for today's session. I am here for mathematics of class 9. So students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is lines and angles. You already studied in your previous class about the lines and some angles. So now I will recall it. So let's start students. So as you know that the lines can be drawn, means smallest thing is point. So point is we can't divide it in parts. Okay, so minimum 2 points are required to draw a line. Okay, now types of line. So means here we have some example of lines and some definition, how we can define it, how we can classify the lines. So students, let's start. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. So you can see here x and y is a line and no start point here and no end point, it goes till infinity. Okay, similar way here also. So we can denote a line as x, y and like arrow on the both sides. Okay, so another is a line segment. So line segment is a portion of a line. It is a portion of a line that has two endpoints. Here you can see a is a fixed point, b here is a fixed points. Okay, so we can denote it as a, b and bar. Understood? Now third is ray. A ray is a portion of a line which has one end point and other extend forever in one direction. So since here P is a fixed point and from here this is goes up to infinity, or we can say forever. Okay, in one direction. So we can denote the ray like that, P, Q and now we'll understand angles. So angle is formed when two rays originated from the same end points. You can see here O, OA and OB both are rays. Okay, they have common point, that is O. Okay, so the one end point both have common, so they form angle like this. This is a angle. Let's understand with the activity here. Suppose you have two pencils, both are overlapped each other, means coincide. Okay, so students, here just we do like this. One end is fixed and another is slant over the other pencil. So here is they form a angle. Similar way students, very easy. So now let's we understand the types of angles. Those you already studied in the previous classes. Number one, acute angle means if angle less than 90 degree, you can measure by the protractor also. And second is right angle. Right angle means if an angle is 90 degree, so it is known as right angle. So third, obtuse angle. Obtuse means if the angle is more than 90 but less than 180, such type of angles are between these two, known as more than 90 and less than 180, known as obtuse angles. And now straight angle exact 180 degrees known as straight angle. Then reflex angle, more than 180 but less than 360, so those angles lies between both, known as reflex angle. Now understand other type of like that, those help us to solve the exercise. So there are, first is adjacent angles. So two angles are adjacent if they have common vertices and a common arm. So here are two angles, you can see BOA and AOC. This is OA is a common arms and this is common vertices. Okay, so angle BOA and AOC both are known as adjacent angle. Now another is linear pair. So student, as you know that here is example figure AOB. AOB is a straight line. Okay, and this OC is a ray from this O point. Okay, so BOC is angle 1 and AOC is angle 2. Now as you know that AOB is a straight angle. So if a straight angle and then sum of the both 1 and 2 is also 180. So student, here angle AOC and BOC both are known as linear pair. Why? Because the sum of the both is 180 degree and both are adjacent also here. But all adjacent angles not be a linear pair, but all linear pair are adjacent angles. Now another, vertically opposite angles. So VOA generally form when the two lines intersect each other. So here are, you can see AB and CD both are line, both intersect at O. Okay, so if the both intersect here, so these would opposite angles, this equal here. Okay, angle OOC and BOD both are equal, and AOD and POC also equal. Okay student. Another thing is parallel line. Parallel line is a line those are never intersect each other, and the distance between the lines always same in each and every point. Friends, it is second video of today's session. So we'll do the theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So student, here AB and CD both intersect at O, and we have to prove that AOD BOC both are equal, and here AOC BOD both are equal. So let us start student proof of this theorem. It is given that AB and CD both are line and intersect at point O. Okay, so here AOD and BOD, you know that AB is straight line, so both, and this AOB is 180, so you know that this angle and this angle both are linear pair. So if the both are linear, so we can write it as AOD plus BOD equal to 180. Okay student, mark it as equation 1. Similar way, you know that CD is also a line and COD is a straight angle. So the sum of these two angle is also 180, and both are linear pair angle. So COB plus BOD is equal to 180. Mark it as equation 2 here. So now students, from equation 1 and 2, you know that the sum of these left hand side here is equal to 180. So we can put the left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 equal. So AOD plus BOD equal to COB plus BOD, and you know that in the left hand side and right hand side BOD is equal here. So if the equal things are here, so we can cancel it. So what the remaining term left here? AOD equal to COB. So now AOD and BOC. So students, these both angles are equal here. We proved here. Similarly, we can prove angle AOC and BOD here. Hope you understood that how we can prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. So when the two lines intersect, so always it is equal. Let's understand with the help of example here. In a figure, line PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. PQ and RS both are intersect at O. If POR and ROQ both are ratio in 5:7. So student, as you know that PQ is a line, so POQ is 180 here, and both are linear pair. This angle and this angle both are linear pair. Okay, so the sum of POR and QOR, or we can say ROQ, is 180. Mark it as equation 1. Okay, so now we have given the ratio of this angle 5:7. So let's assume that the common ratio be x here. So POR equal to 5x and then ROQ equal to 7x. Okay, just replace the values in equation 1. So 5x plus 7x equal to 180. Okay, add both, we obtain 12x equal to 180 and x equal to 180 divided by 12. Now x equal to 12 can divide 180 by 15 times, so 15 here. Now students, we obtain the value of x. Now put the value of x equal to 15 in POR, which is 5x, so 5 into 15, and ROQ 7 into 15. Now multiply the both. 15 5 ja 75 and 57 ja 105. So here the sum of the angle of this is 180, and you can prove your answer also. Now students, it is third video of today's session, and now we'll start exercise 6.1. Let's see question number first. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus BOE is 70 and BOD is 40 degree. Find the angle of BOE, that is this angle this, and second is reflex of COE. So reflex means this angle. Okay, so let's see student how to solve. So first write the given things here. Angle AOC plus BO is 70. Sum of this angle and this is 70 here, and this angle BOD is 40 here. Okay, in figure CD and AB line intersect at O. So as you know that intersect means here BOD and COA both are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so BOD and COA both are vertically opposite angle. So as you know that AOC is also 40 degree. So it is also 40 degree. Now students, putting the value of angle AOC on equation 1. Okay, so 40 plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Okay, BOE, then 40 degrees moved toward the right hand side. So 70 minus 40 is 30. So now we obtain the measure of the angle BOE as 30 degree here. Now students, we know that first part we have find that. Second is, first we'll find the measure of COE, then we'll find reflex of COE. Okay, so we know that AOB, here AOB is a straight angle. Okay, if it is a straight angle means sum of this angle, this and this, is equal to 180 here. So now AOC plus COE plus BOE is 180 degree. So from equation 1 student, we know that angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now we'll replace the values in this equation. Okay, so here CO will remain only, sum of the both is 70 we know, and equal to 180. Okay, now CO is here will remain left hand side, then 70 is moved right hand side. So 180 minus 70, so we'll obtain COE 110 degree. But student, we have to find the measure reflex of COE. So whenever we have to find the reflex of any angle, so suppose here this, it is 60 and we have to find the measure of AOB, reflex of AOB. Now we'll find what angle, this. Okay, so here similar way student, if you know that COE is 110, so what is the reflex of this? It is very simple, we'll subtract it from 360. Similar way students, so CO is equal to 360 minus 110, which is equal to 250 degree.